Good morning, friends. Welcome to our vlog. And I'm already in my Christmas mood. I got my Christmas cup. And yeah, yesterday I put up my Christmas tree. I put it up without decorations for now. I just wanted the feel of the Christmas tree without decorations. Just nice snow with the lights. It's a lot earlier this year because we're actually planning to go to Minnesota for Christmas, because it is Oleg's mom's birthday beginning of January. So we're actually gonna go there for Christmas and New Year's. So that's why I wanted the feel of Christmas earlier this year. So put it up earlier. Anyway, we have a big day today. Well, not really big, but relaxing and just cleaning, preparing food, because we're gonna have friends over again. It's the weekend, gonna have people over. Oleg is right now actually at soccer with the kids. It's the last final day, the champion game finally. Thank you, Lord, I'm over it. Anyway, but hope they win. So this is what I have going. So my daughter's birthday is coming up. That's why I froze a whole bunch of nalisniki. So I got me some for that and some for whenever I host. And then some golubцы, some cabbage rolls. I just need to add some more gravy in here. But yeah, I just had these prepared for whenever I host, so it's all ready. And then last night I prepared these tomatoes. They are from Natasha's Kitchen. Honestly, I didn't even read the recipe. I just saw what goes in there. I'm assuming it had to sit overnight to, get all the sauces in there. But very easy. All it is parsley, garlic, and Italian dressing. So now I'm going to pop it in the fridge. And I'm sure it'll be ready and perfect. Look how pretty this is. All right, so first thing, I want to start with washing my couches, and my chair covers need to get washed. I want to show you that. Couches do sometimes get dirty a little bit with kids. They're not too bad from a distance. But I like to wash my seat covers. Usually I do this ahead of time or here and there, but today I'm going to do it the day of. Now, Josh, what are you doing?
Playing cars.
You're playing cars? Now you're so cute. Show me your cars. Josh is having his quiet time while everyone's in soccer. That Josh? No one bothering you. And Mark is over here just playing toys. That Mark. It definitely feels like it's a holiday mood with the Christmas tree. Last night when I was cleaning the floors, I was like, man, I love this that I put this up. I feel like I'm in the holiday mood. No, his favorite new thing to say is no. That Mark?
No.
No. No, Mark, no. No. Really, Mark? Shoving it in there? All right, I need to get going on taking off the couches, but I was gonna tell you guys a funny dream I had last night. It was funny. I never stress about having anybody over, but last night, I don't know what it was. I had a dream that I had people come over and nothing was ready. People sat on the table, the salads were on there, they were already starting to eat, and then I'm like, oh wait, I never put the potatoes on to boil. And then I'm like, oh wait, but then also we didn't grill the steak yet. And then I realized, and I also didn't do the golubцы, and the golubцы take a while in the oven. I was like, oh my goodness, I was so stressed. So I'm like, I don't want to show the guests that I'm stressed. I'm like telling them, You guys said a little too early to eat. How about we just have a little appetizer of like the salads or something? Oh my goodness, it was so funny. I was like, nothing was ready. I'm over here freaking out, but it was hilarious. And then I woke up and I'm like, oh, thank God it was a dream. But yeah, let's take off the couches. And I love fabric couches that have a zipper, so I can just take it off easily and wash. And yes, you'd find treasure under here all the time. But I do not like leather because sometimes I do like to take a nap on the couches. See, and it's nice and easy. I usually just spray this with like the stain removal spray, so it'll be nice and good. But I love this fabric because it's so soft. So I love my couches. So quick wash and the quick wash. And now we'll just use the Shout, usually just to spray them. They look dirtier for some reason here in the bottom. They're not that dirty. And I just spray with the stain remover, and then we'll wash them. You want Jello, Josh? You know, I actually want to make some Jello too for the friends. Is that what you want, Josh? Yeah, because got themselves some Jello. All right, let's go open you some Jello. Keep them occupied while I do the couches. That, guys? I don't know if you guys hear, but Vanessa's cleaning her room with Christmas music blasting. That's what I'm about to put on, some Christmas music.
Mama. More about motorcycle. Just like motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we buy it for Christmas, yeah? Okay. What do you want for Christmas, Mark?
Mark wanna buy Legos.
Mark wanna buy Legos?
Yeah. I buy 2 Legos.
You wanna buy 2 Legos? Okay. And then I do the same for the chair covers. I spray them with the stain removal spray because I don't like to get my fabric dirty. And then I would just wash them all and put them back on. And somehow the crumbs always make it out over here, even though the kids don't really even eat here. It's like the crumbs that who knows where they come from. The kids are having a little too much fun. Mark, what are you doing? Oh no, Josh, careful. Don't touch the picture over there. Dad, careful, malinki. Are you doing what your big brother's doing, Dad? Monkey see, monkey do.
Ерік самий главний болельщик, і він самий главний коуч для Ізабели. Да, Ерік? Він її тренує, вона дуже хорошо б'є м'ячі. Вона, як ми були там в дворі, вона мені 5 голів забила. Так, внимание, це Ізабелочка в футбол гуляє, вона б'є щас. Ізабелочка молодець, дуже хорошо гуляє вона, б'є дуже красиво. Її Ерік навчив, і вона так б'є сильно м'ячі, саме лучше. Дедушка так сказал. No.
Ball, get it. Coach Eric. Дедушка. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go.
Get us a goal. Zoe, give her a pass. Shoot! Look at the goal! Let's shoot!
Get it, Ball.
Go backward!
Go.
Go! Shoot! Shoot!
Take it. Ah. Go, 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 go. Take it. Ah. Ah. Ooh.
Still in play, still in play. Go, go, go. Go, Nicholas. Good, good. Now! Woo! Right there. Whoa! Come on, get back, get back, get back. Hustle back, hustle back. There you go, David.
There you
Go,
go.
go. Down.
Good job.
Go, go. Keep going, keep going. Go,
Go, go, go, go, go.
Go. Pass. That's you, Joe.
Get it.
Down. Oh.
Came out. Came out. I'm hungry. Every other 2 days, you.
I'm starting to time frame your mom. You're staying in year 10. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. We gotta wait for the banner too.
So I want to make some jello with fruit. I got some little mandarins over here, some mango peaches that I'm going to dice up, and I did get me new cups right here. I got these 3 ounces cups. I'm going to try these out. I got a whole bunch from Amazon. I got 100 since I have other parties coming up, so I got this. And now we just mix all the fruit together. I just use what I have on hand, honestly. If I have frozen raspberries, I'd put that in. This one's just all orange fruit. And I will be making raspberry jello. I'm gonna make 3 of them. And usually when I do fruit as well, I will do a cup less of the water because the fruit comes with water, so that way it does get hard. So I'll just do a cup less. So I will do 2 cups hot water and then 3 cups cold water. Stir this till it melts all the way. And while I'm doing this, I have Vanessa taking up the table cover. I decided to change it up. I love my wooden table, but you know, with kids and crafts, you just can't, you know. So I did get a new table cover. I'm gonna put that on. And I just got some cold water bottle water. Yeah, Josh, you're gonna eat it later on?
That's awesome.
No, that's for later, Josh. That's for jello.
Does she want to smell it?
Smell it.
Want to smell it? It's orange. Oh, Mark wants some.
Mark wants some?
Yeah. Mark wants some.
I'm sure he does. No, Josh is stealing my food over here. It's okay, you just can have some. Just get him a spoon. Yummy, Mark? Let's go sit on the table. Let's go. You jump. So cute. All right, you guys enjoy your fruit. Good, Josh? Good? Vanessa's wiping it. With, you know, my thieves cleaner, like always. Look how cute these look. Now they're ready for the fridge, and they will be set right before people come. Covers are done. I just put one on. It's nice and clean. This is when you get couches with fabric, always got to make sure they unzip to wash. All done, and couches are nice and clean. I only did the bottoms because the back cushions are fine. Look how nice and clean. That, Josh? I opened my new table cover and I run it through the dryer a little bit to get some wrinkles out. And I do have double-sided tape coming, and that's what I usually do right here. I would cut it, and I would tape it under like this with the double-sided tape. That way the wrinkles will go away even more. I would stretch it out more to the side, so it will be all good. And the tape is coming in today. I just did the dishes, and I want to wash my sinks. I have some baking soda in here that I just keep in the kitchen. I'm going to clean this really well, baking soda.
All
Alright, so after the game, they decided to eat. That Bella? You hungry? Yeah, Bella got tied. Eric won. Got his medal. Oh yeah. Real deal.
Too much.
Show Isabella.
Even Josh got to get some Chick-fil-A there. You happy, Josh? Yeah, one happy boy. And I'm gonna go ahead and marinate my steak. We got some rib over here. So I'll just go ahead and do that. That way it's all ready to go. I'll just put them all in here. That way they could just sit here and be ready to be grilled. I like to have most of my things perfect. I even prepared coffee. That way it's ready to go. And I'm gonna fill this up with water as well. And that way it's ready. Now I'm gonna peel some potatoes. That way they're also ready. And lately, for the last few weeks, I've been listening testimonies on YouTube. It is actually very encouraging to listen to them. Like, you can look up so many different testimonies, how people converted from Hindu, you know, from any kind of religion, or, you know, like the New Age. It is so crazy to hear everybody's testimonies. Like, it is very, like, I was like, wow, that is so cool, like, to hear their side, you know, of how they came to God. So, something for you guys to listen to when you're, like, cooking, cleaning. I've been putting my headphones in and listening to it here and there. All right, my potatoes are ready to sit there. It's only 3 o'clock. People are coming at 5, and I do have golubtsi already finishing up as well. That way it's not hot with the oven on in the house. My sweetheart is over here helping me vacuum. What would I do without you, huh? My little teenager. Thank you, Vanessa. And what is she doing? Talking to Sophia. Yeah, those already need a wash. It's all good. Kids are always over here playing. And they're already writing. Sophia, say hi to the camera. Look at Isabella writing. That's Sarah. And yes, my little secret to Caesar salad is some garlic, some fresh squeezed garlic. I'm gonna put some more cloves in there too, since I'm making a huge bowl. And always gotta clean the doors from kids' dirty hands with the magic eraser. Guys, this is definitely a magic eraser with the kids' orange hands. And this is one of my pet peeves, when things are dirty like this by the door. It's kind of gross. Everybody's handprints. And my girls already set the table so pretty. So yeah, my tape did not come in. So I guess I'll just have to leave it be. But yeah, it'll be nice and pretty today. And my favorite part about hosting is you get to light up a candle and make it all nice and cozy. All right, so everything is ready and now time to get dolled up. All right, I'm all ready. I'm all so Christmassy, I feel like today. Look at my cute earrings over here. And look at my sweet husband. What is he doing?
Boy, sweet. Can't be any more sweeter than this.
Cutting up the steak. This looks delicious.
I love my friends.
Yeah, we love
we
hosting. That will look.
Yeah, we don't like groups. We just love our friends.
All right, got some salad. And I got some homemade kvass, compot, and more kvass. Waiting for the other guests.
Like the set.
Julie's here.
Oh, it's really expensive. I don't bring it for everyone. You have to come over. Oh, you should film.
Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we have Christmas over here.
We are your present.
Yes, y'all are my gifts. The kids are inside getting food. Look at all those kids. Oleg is calling the neighbors. He wants to feed all the neighborhood. Look at all the cute kids. You get to put the table here since I have the tree on the other side. And there's more kids outside.
Because I haven't seen him be a referee anymore. Have you? You're in high school?
She's there.
I haven't seen
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we're just hanging out, yeah?
And we have the girls chilling out here. Hi, girls. It's pretty nice outside, huh, today? Mark! How pretty lights that fell over there.
This is the honey pear. That's the one I had that tastes like
It's gonna be too soon.
Got
I
some
never
seeds.
see Mirage here and there. You have to look at the right. When
They
you were
talked, they had a good set about donation. But don't they?
Emily.